Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy uKatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kafele Mutsiba aka Mr. Cool himself intona semakhontshi la Blomotsotsi la kujika khona ipoti. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy, that's why they call me Italiana bafethu. So we are here to represent bafethu. As you can niyabona bafethu, there's a line engiyithanda yaka Jay-Z that says, let me just put this on silent. Sorry babukeli bami. So ngifuna ukuthi be clear, there's a line ka Jay-Z. I show you Jay-Z and ngiyithanda la line there which it represents a brand. Jay-Z ati, you won't be free till you own your own.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
But there's another line with Jay-Z ati, always keep a smaller circle, because a bigger circle is a chaos.
Issue.
You understand?
Yeah.
So mina etimini yami sibancane.
Issue.
Islogan sakho sithini?
On your own, boy. Nice. Takiswan. Tariada?
Ngiyabonga futhi manje. Ngiyabonga for ukuza ku iKastle Vukile bafethu we are currently your #1 place where they sell proper food. Ukhulumane anga introduce ukuthi igama lakho bani and kunombuzo wathi uzongibuza wona. So sesizozwa ngaye.
Yeah. Hello. Sanibonani, dumelang aye konje ngesivenda dota inda masiyara budi. Good afternoon, goeiemiddag. Bafethu khamba kanjani? Shimani Clifford Mabuse igama. Born and bred Orlando East, growing up around the country, but I just a local. Back to where the roots are locally, Soweto. Ngisedike njengamanje ngifishara untwana ngalana, he's trying to upgrade iKastle Vukile namfuna ukungivusa nale iKastle. Other than that, ngiyabonga ukuthi angibe la. Thank you bafuthu.
Yebo. So kune question bungibuza yona.
Yota, the question still remains. At your age, was set up kanje? You have a business mind, is ingqondo yakho ndoda itshena ukuthi awuye phambili. Yini ekwenza ukuthi ndoda ube nani ukuthi uzethembe kangaka? Sho kahle ibuye ekhaya lento le.
Yeah. So mina like to uyibeka nje in a nutshell.
Sure boy.
Ngibuya ku ngathi ku family background great.
As far.
But then when time goes on, time I'm like laba alcoholic.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
That's when like umama mashona.
Yes sir.
So now from being a boy who used to get everything easily, to be a boy who has to go to the streets. You understand? So I felt like it's a blessing in disguise. I lost my mom sharp, but the thing is, it is a blessing in disguise. Ingilotsi ngayibiza ngegama, you understand? Because ukuye strategy ukungifundisa abantu, ukungifundisa ukushare, ukungifundisa ukuhlonipha omunye umuntu, ukungifundisa ukukhuluma nomunye umuntu, ukuthi omunye umuntu umfaka kanjani entweni ethana, nokuthi omunye umuntu umfaka kanjani eyintweni, you understand? Because there was a moment whereby you know family politics.
That's right.
Seba follow invader ema-property kamama into ezinjalo yabona sebafuna ukuhlukanisa mina ne-family yami kwezinto ezinjalo. So I'm from a business whereby it's a family business. You understand? As I speak, I have a construction company that's operating. I have a podcast that's operating, and other things that are operating. You understand? So for me not to indulge in alcohol, it's because of I saw ubaba mbekana mamathaveni abo my10 awawonke ngenxa yotshwala. You understand? So plus nami myself ayotshwala kuzinto zabo
because of that background,
and because of
your own ambitions,
in my own future ambitions, the things that I want. Because that time my mother was alive. Bengihlale ngisendlini yabona umuntu bengingamazi nokuthi bengimdelela. I was always locked in. But then uthe makahamba ngaphumela ngaphandle, went to varsity, did my degree. With degree yakhona ngiyenze ngani ngebhasari because bengana mabhanga ngibhadala. So qale kwangena eyokuqala degree, iphepha ukuthi I got a degree for photography and filming. then u-anti wami omunye
Yeah.
who was jealous
Sure.
azange
Asikeke lokho u-anti wakho omunye sure.
u-anti wami omunye ayidabula
Esana.
so azange ngiyafika kimi ngacabanga ukuthi angiyithola
Awutholanga.
kanti ngiyi-email ngitholile
Esana.
so bathi ngizorewrite
It was meant to be.
yeah
Sure.
so lebe ku-80%.
That's fine.
ngithe uma ngirewriter ngathola 100%.
Sure.
So ngafunda e-Nelson Mandela Institution.
Thank you son.
Young, so
Yeah.
it's a private thing.
Ne.
Lapha singena si-15.
Sure.
Yeah,
The
so
chosen few.
The chosen one.
Sure, boy.
So but then
Story for I'm uthatha ukushayela ikhona. Like excellence intwana.
Yeah, bona so sithi
Yeah, sure. Kasilivukile sinye.
Yeah, so bengicela ke ukhotmane usitshele ke ngawe ukukhotmane ubani kwenzakalani ukhulele vala.
Yeah, Ntwana, like I was saying about before I even start with that one, bafethu ngicela ukubonga nje the opportunity to be here. Wayona, especially from a Black Brothers point of view, Ntwana le.
Yeah.
Is that sinengqondo like mentality ukuthi abantu abamnyama sibambana, sixhasana, supportana, yabo?
Yeah.
And the fact that I'm here and that I'm being afforded an opportunity by a fellow Black brother.
Yeah.
And to say this, it's a moving what you call gesture, yabo?
Yeah.
Ngicela mfethu ukubonga in front of everybody here, and I hope that spirit if it never dies in you, because through you maybe somebody else might be inspired to do something for themselves.
Yeah.
Anyway, mfethu mina I was born in Orlando East, yabo? Yeah, myself as well, I'm a sibling of 5, but there was abobaba mfethu sibaningi, ngobuza ubaba uthi sibayingakhi iripaya yabo. So but I'm the third born of my maternal side, yabo. My old lady is 5 umama.
Yeah.
And I'm the third one, so upbringing is upbringing. We are by lento ama millennials. If you were born in the 80s, then it means when you know the fading out of corporal punishment, apartheid, New South Africa. So we are that generation. Born in the 80s gang. Yeah. So but other than that, born in Orlando. As a result of the political turmoil of the time, so we grew up from here, from this province, went to the next province, Free State, Northwest, and then eventually came back to Joburg, I think around 97, and then currently Kaya Magic, say Enadale. So it's the south of Joburg, and that's where we are living from now. Other than that, it's been a journey. Like it's the norm of Ukula, primary school, secondary school, it's a journey.
Yeah.
And by the grace of God, at least around this side, I was at the Tawana Primary School in Orlando.
Yeah, shout out.
Oh, shout out. Young Lions, West. And then went to the Northwest. I was in the Northwest. Good. But then coming back to this side, I think that was the best thing that ever happened to me with regards to opportunity, because when I came back home, and home being Johannesburg, was where my mind started to broaden out much. And what made it even nice, Antoine, is that there's many mindsets that you pick up if you go from one province to another. You get to understand, Basotho baphila so. And then you go to a certain place, Batswana baphila so. KwaZulu, philwa kanje ngala. And then when you embody all those spirits, when you come to Johannesburg, what becomes an advantage is because everybody's here. Xhosas are here, Zulus are here, Coloureds are here, Indians are here, but everyone has a different background. But we meet here because why? Jozi is Jozi. Jozi is where things happen. All due respect to everybody around, everything can happen wherever you are. Decides what you decide to do. But Jozi is where everybody meets here. It's a hub on top of every hustle. You understand? But anyway, coming here is where the central energy now became the formation of who I am today. You understand? Jozi is where I can attribute my being me. Yeah, this is the home of this character that you see today. Yeah, sure.
So jumping to that,
sure.
Everybody has a story. Nobody does not have a story. So put us in your childhood memories.
Okay.
Young child, you were raised by both parents. Bekunjani ekhaya you were living good, benidla amasushi,
sure,
or benidla itswayi nepapa. You understand? Umakhelwane bekunjani? Ekasi lakho bekunenkemba baloyayo. Khona ba esontweni. Like put us in your upbringing.
Yazi mfethu umlando kanjani wena Ntarian? Is that especially if I'm telling you about the time frame from the 80s mid 80s, because mina I'm born 86 yabo. So right asithi masengifika 5 6 7 when you start seeing okay, left right sengiqala ukuhlakanipha. We are coming from an era ndoda where a political turmoil was in the air, you understand? It was in the air. So family structures were still family structures because people were dependent on the fact that ekhaya no baba, because manje that's how we grew up. Sasazi ukuthi okay ngala baba ungwenya ngala ubaba umndise ngada yabo. It was always the case when we grew up, and the respect level was not as it is today, you understand, because like the elements we were mentioning just before siqala ukukhuluma indaba otshwala in fact it wasn't as deep as it is namhlanje. Sasazi ukuthi okay ubani uyaphuza kuyaphuzwa vele abaphuzayo bayaphuza, but my background, I'm coming from a family of inyanga, let me say yabo. So umagogo yena she was a traditional healer in a sense yabo, and uma olede na ke angibuyi mina ekhaya notshwala idakamizwa, but alcohol as an element has always been there. But as regard to my upbringing, mina mfethu sikhula sidla ngesitsha sodwa, singaba sonke nje 10 men, umunye nomuntu faka isandla kuyayidlelwa nje siyaphila. And we never grew up being materialistic. Sasingazi futhi nanokuthi class yini. You know, if the family that side has a car, ukuthi angale kunemoto, makune TV ngale siyazi ukuthi kune TV ngala. But the beauty about that community spirit back then, sasikwazi ukuthi asihlangane sobukela story ngale kumakhelwa yabo. After the story siyahamba sinabantwana bakulelo khaya, even though we coming from different backgrounds yabo. And it's a fun thing because that's where you understand lento okhuluma ngayo ubuntu, you know. Those eras were still nice because that thing was evident, it was in your face. Buthu, you wouldn't pass umuntu omdala phethe amaplastic kanje singasukumi ihlazo because nebahlali butha kawufela ra bafana naxa ukubona ukuthi umuntu omdala uyadlula, it's not even open for discussions. And now coming out of age, and times are tough ndoda, and I think if I were to trade between the time I'm living now and the times I grew up in, I would have wanted to live my life in that time frame. Money was valuable in that. If you had 10 rand, you had money. If you had 100 rand, you had bad. But the bad, but to 1,000 rand, bad. You understand? Yeah, you would be sent. You know, if 5 rand le paper, you get bill. But without the history of apartheid and its an economic background, how I grew up, that made me the person who I appreciate this in because of the way I grew up. So that's why I was masihlupeka sonke as a family. If ne papa akunashebo sizolidla le papa dabazi or whatever that we want to eat le papa ngalo sibe sijabule futhi. And you wouldn't detect ekseni masiphuma ukuthi sidle papa ngani or asidlanga, you understand, or there wouldn't be a difference between umuntu odlile nongadlile. So other than that, I can only say how I grew up in Dota, and I don't want to go into the details of my struggle because but all I can tell, our upbringing, talk about the struggle. Let me speak about my struggle in Dona.
You want to know it? You are saving someone, correct?
Hopefully, so I might as well be brutal.
Don't close up things. Castle Vogel is a place to vet. It's more like therapy.
Yeah, sure.
So speak everything.
You might as well, Okay, you look, Ntwana, with regards to my family structure, my mom and my father were not married. They both left.
Okay.
So it's time of umuntu nabantwana bakhe shouldn't ingane endaweni eziningi yabo nabantu abaningi. So I want to speak respectfully of his legacy. But because we are his children, we were forced as a result of his nature. Baba, he was a very strict somebody, understand? And now the thing is that my old lady now for fear was trying to, have us escape that kind of an upbringing. And also because of the political turmoil in Orlando, it became a situation where we grew up, we were not treated like household children, like we as opposed to if you belong to the uncle or auntie somewhere, and when we are somehow the treatment is not going to be the same. And with that, I think to a certain extent, Ntwana, sometimes when they try to do that to you, they are only just making you become a better person.
Stronger man.
A stronger man. Because you know now, if I may ask, before I continue with mine, what taught you how to share? Except that when you understood what it is to not have.
Yes.
So because you know what lento manganayo kuba njani endlalo yayazi. So if you see me mina mangifika la nesisulongithi intwana ngicela ungizame ngesinko, of course it makes it easier for you to say I know what it's like.
I don't the pain.
Exactly. So that's how I came up, yabo. And if it's a shower ndoda, you get brutal corporal punishment, the situation where it's not like your normal waza la ngikufaka isifundo yabo. Ushawe singathi manje yazi sikushayela nanokuthi sinenkinga. You get me? Lento uthi uzoboshwa esihlahleni uyoshawa singathi uyimbongolo, you get me? And that thing, in fact, the majority of us, we are being raised by people who themselves don't identify with the elements of love, yabo, and how to raise a child. But where you are, when the day you decide, if I may ask, no.
Not
yet, no. But I'm hoping, because when I know mama nyatanda, yes. You don't want your children to have to go through the pain you know.
Never.
Thina ke sasikhuliswa abantu bebengacabanga kanjalo ukuthi azi awuthi sibavikele la bikusasa leli the pain they had, they took it out on us. So it must be a rotating cycle. That is why uzohlala nabantu la who are willing to kill, because they don't know even what it is to be empathetic. Yebo lento ngisho ubuya ekhaya la ufokwa khona la utshelwa khona ukuthi when you are nothing and you won't be anything. And then of course we identify realities that they are fun as limits, but by the grace of God, at least there's always been a spiritual centralization to how we used to hide, because there's always been he'd sit us down and then he'd give us stories of how he created umuntu Satan wadala imfene. And then we used to love sitting down, similarly, you know. So we always had that hope, and spirituality is a very powerful thing. It means sure. So spiritual in my life.
Yeah.
The major part of why I choose not to why? It's because me personally, my journey currently, this generational thing. I don't want to carry this pain into the generation I'm raising much. Ngiyayibona kodwa masiya isingathi iyangakhona where I'm going to offload part of my pain on my children. Then ngiyazikhuza ukuthi ungabusayisa lapha. Tell this boy he's a winner. Tell him ukuthi uzophumelela. Yebo lento engizama ukuyisho. Because if I'm going to say to him bebengiphatha kanje ngisakhula, he's going to internalize it as his own. Itime lakho mfethu njengoba ubulibona lishaya ibhiya. It used to harm you just as much as it used to harm him. So angifuni ukuthi angidlulise, because of that reason ngizama ukuthi angikhe phezulu yabo. Ukukhula bona ntwana, it was the most beautiful thing. Why? In fact noma silambile mfethu akwazi ukuthi asithandane ekhaya. You know? And on top of everything else, I still maintain that where I am now, it's as a result of my upbringing. So I can't say I had a bad upbringing if it has brought me here. And ngisaphila because of that upbringing. Umuntu omdala ngisambona because of that upbringing. Mfundo wesifazane siyambona because of that upbringing. Why? Back in the day, there's hugging and kissing. It wasn't into yabo. Yeah, ndoda, you knew if you were to be found ubambe isandla ingane kabani bani. Family meeting. Uyalanda ndoda manje kwenzakalani sibona ingane yakho lana unathwele mankalitsombo le we want to know. So that background, it makes it easy for me to be able to go and speak to a woman like a woman, yabo, and to behave around a woman how a woman needs to be treated, you understand? So those elements, they made us who we are. Me and my generation, I can say. That is why it's in there's certain elements that are going to fade as a result of our dying. But then you're going to carry them. You know what I respect, you respect.
Yes.
That's where we come from. So the majority of those elements, they led me to where I am. And the opportunities I came to find in life were good opportunities because of that upbringing. And I doubt if I would be sitting here
angabe ngokwazi
kube mfethu angisekho la mhlawumbe kube ngikhuluma I don't know uyabona lento sekasilivukile sidlana
yeah you know instigating about what you're talking about ukuthi benivayeza igroup nendlini yomunye umuntu niyobukela asithi abo Sarafina lawo abo Lisilo lawo currently ama actor nama actresses ba strike because they are not earning enough abanye they are broke abanye they are suffering what's your take about that because bona you watching them on TV but change your mindset to be a better person a good person in life so maso uhlangana nalo muntu lo bombukela idol umbona awoka oratopa amaphepha ithinta kanjani
right ntona I like it because manje sihlanganisa nani own your own asibe real let's be real oqala mfowethu one I'm going to speak as an external viewer audience mina ngumuntu ongaphandle akusizi ngalutho ndoda if I go to the stadium I can only say this player lento ihlala manga I don't know what it means for that man to be in that ground this football field ndoda you must have trained kumele ngikuxeke ngazi ukuthi yini lento engiyixekayo so if I'm going to say okay artists actors whoever are suffering as a result of 1 2 3 I must be coming from a very informed background okwamanje into engayisho mina arts and culture ndoda unless it's your own personal thing yabo asithi ke mfethu uzovula i-production company yakho leyo nto so whether it succeeds or it doesn't it's up to you yabo but mina ngiyafika ngine talent wena nto ngiphethe ama camera let's say tomorrow you close shop ntwana ngiyothini ke mina and mangifika lana there are terms and conditions to a contract I can't say just because ngisayinile ngiyaxolisa nganza kwethu I don't want to speak to the struggle of somebody disrespectful yabo because those people in fact they work hard akukho lula mfethu ukuzohlala kanje nama camera kuthiwa cut ngiqale phansi ndoda uyo memorize script ngathi ndoda whatever it is you do ndoda makuthiwa cut ngiqale phansi inyembezi mawuthi usukhala lapha azisekho inyembezi you must go and find them where they are because you are an artist yabo now I'm getting to the point ntwana if somebody is going to say I'm an artist immediately ungena mina ngicabangela mina let's say for argument's sake ingane zami one of them will come and tell me yes in time I want to be an actor I'm going to tell him the minute he starts listen ndoda oqala you're going to have to treat yourself as an individual brand manje when they will know you as a character that belongs to this storyline that belongs to this production team when we are Ntariyana sokunika script isintwana from la uzoshayilo kunjana Papa Action 2 are you going to become Papa Action only Papa Action for the sake of that show mawuphuma makuthiwa cut kuya rap kuyaqoqelana zonke izinto isethi yavalwa ubani wena usawu Papa Action
so Ronnie Nyakana
you see now you become somebody else so you must treat it as a ndoda indlela you must treat it as a stepping stone it comes and it goes but what I would say mina from a suffer it sucks because ntwana if you are going to say ubaba sikhule simbukela today we see him uqosha amaphepha then it means ukuthi whoever is responsible as the arts and culture department is not respecting the craft that's supposed to inspire me ukuthi angingayi kuma drugs the craft that's supposed to inspire me I can become something because leli time ngiphume eKaSlam yabo wena njengoba ngikubona la kusasa mangihlala la userobotini intwana ushaya lezi ama-flat ngicela unwashela ama-window ndoda ngizopaka ndoda Ntariyana khambani how did you get here from lapha you get me and if you tell me the opportunity was taken from you then it becomes you were used yayibona leyo ngicabanga kanjalo bafethu futhi nami ngiyathanda ukuya ngakhulu but umbono wami futhi is that's way it is
so mina into engayisho bafethu to my production team that's behind the face. West. Guys, me, I'm not gonna give you like the whole salary. You're gonna get a monthly salary. Because if I give you the whole salary of the whole year, it's also December, June, say pay.
Kuya ngendoda.
Mina ngizobakama a monthly.
Kuya ngendoda. Wena ndoda whether it's wage whether it's salary. If I come here and I must know ukuthi yini into engiyisebenzela lapha okay mangihloma ama camera I'm trying to develop something it's my journey ntwana mina nawe siyakha if I'm going to be your employee I'm helping you are helping me when you must inspire why I need to be at my best to help you when you must be at your best to help me uboye ungitshela ukuthi ntwana makungavela ithuba ngale kumakhelwane ubone ukuthi lingcono kunaleli ungesabi
Yeah.
and please put me as a reference so that when you go there mabe ngifonela abathentwana uyamazi sithi
Sure, siyamazi.
ushaya isipani sure kwala ngisho kuthiwa mfethu you are just washing dishes. When I recommend you for something else, I must be able to say, if I trust this man with my plate, what more with anything else?
Yeah.
But when I'm definitely sure podcast you want it to grow.
Yeah.
But I don't think this is where you just want to be.
No.
Imali yakho must work for you, which means uzoyibiza lento uyishaya wena ungale pheshe. Uthi madoda isikhathi sokushootha ngicela nenze sure that everything is on point. But this thing is working for you.
Yeah.
That's where own your own comes from.
Yeah.
Awube nokwakho ngicela ukuthi makuphela yonke into icontract ayizo izasekho. What do you have?
On hand.
Unani wena?
Oh, yes Khotman uqeda like this.
Sure, cuz.
So into engizoyenza ngizenzani?
Yenza boy.
For i-autism. Bana ama-company ne.
Okay.
Then ngifuna ukubayenzela amanye ama-company that like deals with farming, maybe logistics or anything that's not classified with media.
Is it what they want?
I'm doing it for their kids.
When wenzela iyifa kahle
yeah ukuthi noma yena ngaphuza dawa yenze maringane zasera
asibe ne chance ukuthi
yena ngikwazi ukumbiza ngithi ndoda sophuza kakhulu manje
sure.
And yabona imali le ngokholisa yona siyayela
sure.
You understand
sure.
Mara akazi ukuthi kunebhombe ngimsetele yona kunama room abo my 100
Othi ngikubuze something Tarian wena tshela mina what's your take on independence if ingqondo the independent mindset
intellectual property
and that's now the depth of it but isurface nje ngicabangani wena bafu ngokuthi indoda ayikwazi ukuthi yona isisu sayo masikhala kumele enze ini because what happens tomorrow when awukho ntwana if tomorrow let's say for argument's sake your opportunities take you further from us asakwazi ukuthi masikufonela sikuthola then I'm not going to be able to.
Okay, Bafetu, welcome back. We kaselvukile Bafetu. You had to take a short break because in the was yashisa sendlula no September Bafetu. So ke summertime we get the vest. Did you own your own? So we were talking about intellectual property. Yeah, bombuza ngisho.
Yeah, buddy. Do you still remember where we were?
Yeah, bombuza ukuthi ngithembeni.
Wena bafu ngaphandle kwakho if when you were to leave kusasa bafu amadoda la njengoba siphila kanje will I be able to survive without you? Yabo what makes you mina mfethu wena kahlahle uthembeni wena utshele mina ingqondo yakho ithini okwakho what is your own
mina into engithembile bafethu my name, my biological name is Katlego.
Boy.
Then my surname is Mula.
Where's?
You understand?
Where's?
So Katlego means success.
That's far.
So you won't be successful without a risk.
That's far.
So igama lami nje lakutshela ukuthi be a risk taker.
Yeah, sure. If
so
you want to succeed.
uNkulunkulu ngimthembile angithi ngimthembanga.
Okay.
The higher power la yonke into igcina khona because ayeke ngithi uNkulunkulu bambiza ngendlela eningi but then we have the higher power la yonke into igcina khona then nami ngiyazithemba self igama lami uKatlego.
Okay.
So that means umuntu owangipha legama akusuke uyongiphe igama umuntu ozokupha igama lela kuphe yona lisuka from the universe.
Exactly.
Angithi mawucabanga the knowledge from the universe that comes to you but ngwanoke Katlego ke success
inspiration.
So is success ihamba nobungozi. So I need to go to
like since we are on this issue tell me what's your take on lento because you asked me about actresses and actors who are suffering now as a result of this IP issue. After all your talent that has been invested to making a brand become when you end up going with nothing. What's your take on that situation?
My take on that situation is
ngoba ask this boy ngoba ngibuyisela to where the slogan speaks to lento esizokhuluma
ngayo
on your own situation.
So pay stance Tyler Perry uqale ngokuyenza istudio sakhe now he's owning his own
okay.
So most of our actors like abakhona Ferguson baqale ngokuyenza ama production wabo
developing themselves
owning their own things because it's more like when you are signed kuyizwe bakubiza uChester mawuzoya kwenye indawo bakubiza eGazlama you understand the gama Chester is not your name,
it's not yours,
you understand?
The character itself,
you understand? Basically abantu baku acting ba sign 360 deal without knowing. You understand? So even if angayidlala noma kayengakho izosayinile wena
usayinile
ifana na ku music yabo ifana nalento enzekela ku STC ukuthi you had to pay to buy that name Nasty C.
To own it.
To own it.
Aibo.
So it's more like music. It's a 360 deal, but with another scale.
Daughter, can you have to buy a name to own your own name?
Yeah, you
As
can't. I need to come up with the name.
Yeah.
We fund the name.
Okay.
So when you want to leave the label, and we never recouped our money. So you need to give us the money that you have to recoup and go with the name.
And go with the name. Because
if
the name is a brand on its own. Sure.
So I want to be acting.
Yeah.
But sign a 360 deal without knowing. Ukuthi mangizokubiza Papa Action.
Sure.
Akuso Papa Action ngamampela. Papa Action wecorrect.
Sure.
Mawuqeda ukuhamba kusala wena.
Yeah, sure.
So sikubhadalile into
Sinikile wena what you
understand. Yeah. But then mina into engiyilwelayo
grant boy.
Yeah. Yabona ngithi khona bathola ama 350.
Okay.
Naba asibagayine grant. Kuyoze kube nesinqaba abantu aba
contribute
every time you contribute.
Sure.
Umntana makathi yo act ngizothi uyapi lapho.
Uyapi ngoba manje uzophela kanjena nawe. I hear you.
You understand?
Khethe into eyini.
So Leo, there's an episode that we shot.
Okay.
And we just dropped it. We were shooting with a famous female actress.
Yeah, sure.
An award winning actress. Yeah, now we are
affected by the same situation.
Okay, right. So we are cool man own your own.
Where's
Dakisan? OIO on your own. So tell me, Khodman Lamle, because he's short it, but there's brutality that's happening.
Okay.
Kunintona zamapanzo lesiphomatikisi.
Sure.
Ayamapanzula. Because amapanzula awami inkunzi. Kunentwana zamavayenda lesiphoka amapanzula ezilimaza abantu ku era yami ziyakwazana zihamba ngama group zenzani yabo. Besibukele yizo bekuphuma ikolo bashisa abantu benzani. Back in the time in the 80s.
Yeah.
What was happening in the
90s in the
90s. Bekonzakalani. The notorious ufike inkathi zamakabasa.
Ndoda yazini athi ngibe kanjena. Tariana for this thing it's how do you say? It's an episode kahle yabo.
Yeah.
We grew up with the people who eventually became amakids asekhaya. And I can't even say much because my background has little influence of that kind of ilokunjani yayikanjalo. Thina sasazi ukuthi mfowethu igebengu ama-comrade akudala amadoda agcine seba nekwali ne-state and then they became rebellious against the state itself uthina sesoshaya lezi imoto zemali because sibuya ku-exile or sibuya kuphi sasitoyitoya sikhankasela ukuthi akube nenkululeko manje siyafa indlala from those backgrounds kwakuyilokho ukuthi la madoda mayizoshaya isikoko kanjena kuwukuthi bakwatele ini i-state today now it's a fashionable thing indoda sekuqhunywa ilokhunjani emali la. They'll just now we can sit and decide into dancing asinamali EFG indlela ukuthi asibe grand. Back then it was a politically motivated issue why it led to amadoda agcine ephenduka igebengu lokho ukuthi amadikisi isipansula nani let's ngitshene something wena boy. Soweto is a very cultural area. Ndoda here there's opportunities for everything. Even if you're young esikolweni Soweto ndoda you can know how to dance and become something.
Yes.
And if you are going to say I'm a dancer, you need to identify la majandra phume Soweto. Kunequiet house na yonke lenyakanyaka. If you are going to say mina ngipantsula, of course uzohamba nequiet. So many of these people are artists in their nature. Njengoba usho ntwana. Amapantsula ama-artist. In fact today our dance style ndoda ayitholakali anywhere except like South Africa.
Yeah.
That's why thina ndoda ngizokutshena ngangisebenza khona was a tourist ambassador. People will fly all the way from wherever they're coming from ukuza ngapha just ukuzobona isipansula amadoda ashaya iskill. Isipansula. And then that's a trademark because uyazi ukuthi when I went to South Africa I've seen people dance around the world but not like that.
Yeah.
Sasiwazi amapansula kwama-artist. Alikho ipansula silazi thina libamba inkunzi. Alikho ndoda alikho ipansula futhi size silithanda masilibona ipansula sishaye flat ngoba
sijabule.
Untwana uzosibusisa ngesikhana nawo amapansula ya cross usefe futhi mabona ipansula ngoba uyazi ukuthi ipansula silona isigebengu so isigebengu ipansula but now you asking about ubugebengu bala now what's happening but for it's a mental delinquency leyo nto mfethu siyasokola la mental there's many opportunities here into engayisho mina bafo especially from my age manje where I feel like with my children being who they are. Role models in fact are important. Everybody can be a role model. You are telling me at your age, unalento le you are responsible for actually bettering the lives of other people. Does that mean in fact a role model must be somebody who has white hair like me?
Nah.
You can be a role model yourself. So in fact elements of a community asinga play mikasi ungathi ndoda Orlando mangayi Orlando bayongibamba inkunzi. In fact there's what you call internal destabilizations.
Yeah.
How do you destroy a mentality of a people if to convince them they cannot be anything but that? It's a stigma leyo nto bafo. Like wena kid, if you are stigmatized because I see emathathu ngibona untwana manje ushaya umcwebe, untwana mama ekhuluma ngiyamuzwa ushaya boma kasilingo kakhulu, I stigmatize you into thinking he's not professional, he's not punctual, lebo leyo nto. And untwana ubuya kuphi ekasi engifuna ngibuye Dikloof. Yeah.
Uzongitshontsha lo.
Wona DK kimawaza. And you are not about that.
Yes.
So ubugebengu ufethu bala ekasi ayindoda mina ngizokutshela into eyodwa. There are influences both good and bad. When as a human being ndoda, based on where you are coming from, you need to pick which influence is best for you. Mafuna ukuthi asikufanga ekhanda ndoda uthi nawo ama drugs uzothola labantu abazokutshela ukuthi intwana futhi kade simfuna umuntu onjengawe. Nazi izinto lapha ya ndoda efootball faka lapha lokhu njaneni mabengena when that's an influence you chose it. Omunye uzofika athi but Kate ndoda you have a very handsome face. And you have a confident spirit. Awushaye ngani podcast. Influence uyangena lapho ngiyayizwa 2 minutes down the line you've got a setup uphethe ushinza lokho uma ngiJewish. It's the influence you chose. So it's always a choice ntwana impilo iza kanye ntwana mafuna ukuthi uyayiza into yaseSun City.
Okay, so sorry bafethu. Me I like to touch on izinto abantu abasabukhuluma ngazo. I'm that boy. You used to work as someone who's in the government, the police force. Let me put it clear.
Okay.
Where in Gwaji?
Metro Police Office.
Yeah, you love my cold drink.
Yeah.
Namana simthengile cold drink.
Ikholi.
Namana simthengile cold.
That's bad.
Yeah. Can you brief us a bit, like what's happening there?
Okay, okay, right. You know what? For the purpose of this, I want to say this outright. It's a very sacred profession. I am from a law enforcement background, and I want to thank the city of Johannesburg. More so, I don't know what is shooting acting keeping just to say my city gave me an opportunity to understand what it means to be professional. And I joined PD madoda ikhaya lami. But anyway, we were given an opportunity to become Metro Police officers 2010 makuzongena iWorld Cup, but basifaka as what tourist ambassadors. And then babefuna ukuthi at least to alleviate, since umasipala could not at least athatha abantu boma 20,000 at a go. So EPWP said okay, right, we're looking for young people asibanike ithuba okwethu nje ukuthi asicontrol the traffic. They were strategically placed ukuthi okay nina nizoya Orlando Mandela House, abanye Gold Reef City, these tourist sites yabo ukuthi at least kube ne safety element for these tourists. That's why I got my opportunity to be a police. And ever since then I fell in love with the discipline.
Was Shespa.
Mfethu wena khethu mfethu kwisapho spa.
Ngiyabuza.
Okay, right sharp. Afterwards khethu ntwana ngalithola ithuba ke lapha shy internal advertisement, but okay right bafuna ukupilota a course that now merged traffic and SAPS under one umbrella. And that's where we got our opportunity to become amaphoyisa. Sure.
So ispam zona.
Ispam ufethu ispam isidlala abantwana but ngithi
awushayela ukuchwaka.
No, listen, of mini background yami is like this, we are in a neighborhood that is infested with crime, and crime in South Africa, let me speak for where I'm coming from. Firearms ispam sidlala abantwana
sekufana newatch
mfowethu nanini nawo ngajika kule khona yabo unyathela umuntu mfowethu bese sekuyilokho ukuthi next week umuntu uyangcwatshwa yabo ngoba untwana bamshaya ngegani smoko isani ringasi yangapheli crane ngoba so firearms are there. I have never discharged a firearm in my life until I was trained to do so. So the opportunity I got mina to possess a firearm was a legal route through the city of Johannesburg. That's why ngisho ukuthi mfethu the city of Johannesburg made me a human being. Ishuba mfethu eJozi ziyakhaya. Ila ka sivuke khona ke ngala ngoba se DK seJozi.
And the DK ke le fat.
Yes.
So when I call you that
mfowethu let me
say umuntu straight ubona imoto yakhe emthethweni
wena tarana ngeke ngikuthuthe. Let me explain something that you need to understand. Let me explain something you need to understand. And to all the viewers bafethu ngicela manaka lala ngizophendula ikanjena lento. I want to say manaka ikanjena lento ne. You cannot put me or anybody else in a position where we are going to question each other's credibilities. Oqala nje into enekholi ngaphakathi. It's a term that does not come anywhere from the law enforcement structures. Ayiki academy eyafundisa umuntu ngekholi. Yabo? There is nowhere where you can go where, as a law enforcement agency where you have ikholi as a known thing. Kahle it's what's into ebizwa subculture. Subculture madoda fana nokuthi insango mfethu sesibhema njengenkaza yabo egcina sesibhema phambi kwa wonke umuntu usha abantu abadala ngesababone because isiyajwayeleka lento ukuthi ayitsango mayisha ayibhenywe vele but mabuza ukuthi ikholi ngeke ngayithatha under oath I'm going to say I reserve my right to remain silent yabo yeah but I will honestly say madoda khetha asenze kanje usuyangazi manje shimza mfethu ikhada you know me ntwana uba nenkinga ebusuku asithi mhlawumbe wena uyindoda engiyazi ukuthi vele iyashaya
mbombozi
yabo and out a grand ukuthi wena uyashaya uyaspana uneyincosi unefro uyindoda ekase simazi ukuthi awuntwana uphila namajet sharp b roadblock phezulu kwakhe indoda one side oqala ndoda the following day you must wake up and go to work but the night before ndoda you were going home from somewhere bekumnandi mfethu bafethu awuthiyami isipana nani or liyasedladleni isipana nani ngicela bafethu ngiyifonela ngikhulume naye ngiyanicela bafethu hayi ka ubani lo bafethu ushimi umuphi ushimi sibongo bafethu mabuse sho mabuse okay right ngiyamazi ntwana baba ifone umfonela usuhlale ngami wena okay ndoni shimi mfethu umgaxela lana ndoda emadoda naye ufuna ukungifuthisa noma ngafutha lana ntwana ziyakhala ngiyoxoxa umsebenzini kusasa. What's happening there? What is happening there? You are in need of help or do you want me to do the right thing? As a voting citizen, what do you want me to do?
Help a nigga.
No, you want me to do the right thing. When you go to the voting station, you say to me, vote for this government to do the right thing. Yini right thing manje ngoba ugaxele ngiyakwazi uyangazi nami. Ngisespanini uthi ngenze njani? Angikubophe. Kumele ungishayele ihlombe uthi intwana ngitakiwe ngifaka uZankosi wenza isipani. Uzokusho lokho kusasa uyafundela umsebenzini?
Angeke.
Asishiye lapha indaba enekhona. Yebo into engisho.
Sure. Sekayiphendulile so
boy.
Lento ekholi bafethu yenza i-crime rate ukuthi increase iye phezulu bafethu ne. I'm not saying ukuthi I'm perfect, maybe nami one day ngizothi ngidrive angishiye ekholi because nokuyishiya abantwini vele. But asisabi novalo masiphuzile shebe. Because yazintwana
siphuza ikholi ayasiphela ukuphuza ikholi
isengiyazi mangiphuma endaweni entwana
issue
because isivaya ngepark light engekho right saba
awu kuleka uhulumeni usekhulumeni
sama ngento engekho right ithi ngishiya 150 mabeza ngibagaya 150.
No, but you see when a kid into engizokufundisa yona njengamanje it will be much better now that you are where you are and when the influence yakho mfethu wathi ikasi is that we need to be responsible. Wena mfethu mazoba nemoto you must know ukuthi imoto yakho ihlupha kuphi nakuphi mawuthi vele ngempela bafuza uphuma la uthi nawuthi ngiyothenga isinko I wait for enforcement to ask you not I indicate imoto ujika kanjani. Or sometimes maybe something you didn't know. Some father out indicate don't confirm la indicative value indicate ntwana wenze njani. Indicator lamp is 5 rand 10 rand. Ukusheta lento ufaka iglobhu nje iyaqaqqa imoto isiyakhuluma. Easy officer thank you you've assisted me. You need to take responsibility. Into ebhlungu ntwana asingayifaki into yekholi singathi into okudlala. People's careers ndoda career iyaphela ndoda ngenxa yekholi. Ukufa ngiyakubona ndoda ngisho wena mfethu death is common it's part of our singabantu kumele sife vele. But wena uzothini uzofika endlini lapho unkosikazi ngimtshela ukuthi umsebenzi uphelile ngenxa yekholi 20 rand. wena ngoba mina ngizonginika u50 rand kanti nawo amakhamera la Be mina sengu50 rand manje ngifaka ku-ENCA ekseni hey officer caught taking bribe ngintshebe ndoda the wife manje ngithinike ngonkosasi ngithinike ngabantwana i-school fees so if you're going to take into consideration anything that breaks the law in fact you have to suffer the consequences whether it be uqasha emsebenzini or ijele lisana leyo kholi le because uyithatha ikholi wena utakiyo ngikudedele ufike uyobulala abantu phambi kwakho yayibona lento engisho bese ke ngithinike mina naye ngiyiphethe ngiyiphendula ngithini lezi ingane ezishonile ibulawe uqeda ukungishela 100 rand ikholi ke la but ifike futhi ibe nenkinga because manje kuyofona ingane kaZuma ingane kabani bani umuntu odumile thebafethu lalelani la help that person uyothini ke wena utshana umphathi wabaphathi ngqongqosho wenze njani ke la ukahle uphela umntana kabani ukuthi mangingambopha ndoda kwayimina afa ngizophila kabuhlungu sekumele ngikukhaphe ke ngiyokufaka ngishe ingubeni ngikududuza ulale ngize ngikuculela ukuthi good night yebona leyo nto so ikholi yahlupha emadoda but iya ngokuthi ubani kuphi kanjani but other than that angibuyele esiphoyiseni mfowethu la nginika ithuba mfowethu government JMPD was my home for 10 years ngilapha ya JMPD madoda yangithatha la yangisale
it was nice ne
ndoda one of the best experiences of my life it made me the man I am ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe ne confidence ukuhlala kanje nawe because JMPD you have to interact with people like law enforcement no not even ntona
labantu bakhuluma nayo ngathi unemere
not even
check imoto
not even kid mfethu ngiyakhulumela lamadoda yebafowethu akingitshana into eyodwa akukho lula ndoda ukuthi awuphume ekseni ushiya ingane zakho abantu mase uthi kushubile bayale wena kumele uyele la kushube khona wena kumele uye khona and wena uyabaleka mina kumele ngiye lapha so mfowethu isiphoyisa it's a sacred profession ifana nokufundisa esikolweni you are trying to contribute something to society mfowethu yazi ukuthi ikasi liba nevalue ekhuphukayo if ukuthi kunephoyisa la kunephoyisa nangale ngoba mina mangizothenga indlu the agent who sell in the houses will say to me hey ndoda kunephoyisa ngapha kunephoyisa ngapha what does that mean to the value of that area the safety element is increased because if usokangala kunephoyisa ngala kwenzakalani nawe nje awuphumanga kulelo kasi because mina ngizofonela eThekheti ndoda ngizwa guhlu ngala uyiphoyisa ubiza amanye kuyasetshenzwa and then the crime rate goes down so iphoyisa the value of being an officer is more than what people make of it now because of yona lento yokholi le inkholi yahlupha ngoba isehlisa isithunzi iphoyisa mfethu liyahlonishwa malibona iphoyisa ngisho nasesikolweni you can go to school and orientate kids mabebona uniform they already see an exemplary figure umuntu that represents uprightness emphakathini
manje mababona uniform babona amabhala
sebecabanga ezinye izinto yabona
so we're going to hop in the brain just last question
sure guys
what's your take on corrupt police officers
actually for corruption yahlupha ndoda is in poison mfethu for the soul yabo inkinga ukuthi ngibeka kanje mfethu hayi ngihlalela ngisenze ngcono singathi mina vele yabo
yeah perfect
I'm far from it actually one thing for sure I can tell you now we are outnumbered by ilokunjana mfethu society amaphoyisa amancane ukudlula the elements around that they need to fight uyezwa bafo you can't have a Diepkloof la uthena you're going to have 3 vehicles and 1,000 officers and you expect them to police every block around Diepkloof or Soweto
and cannot
mana it's impossible wena njengomzali mangathi unezingane ezo5 ila uyobona khona ukuthi kunzima njani ke lapha ukuthi awunake lezi ingane ngokulandelana kanje nokulinganayo it's impossible what more a society ukhuza ngale ukhuze nangale if you are speaking about corrupt officers ndoda are people who when they are in the career as police officers don't appreciate the difference they make in the lives of people bafo kumele uyithande lento yakho cat if you are stuck at night when you see a police van ndoda you must have that thing ukuthi ithemba lami ngizoba grand la
yo basindlula
abanye labo there's a few of them who do that yabo
ngaqhubeka
sure there's a few of them who do that yabo the majority of them will actually help you and they will help you at the expense of their own lives if need be ibona bazokutshela ukuthi mase kufika igebengu imangapha awuthi siya phambili thina sobo ukuthi siphuma kanjani kuletho we are trained and we are ready for it yabo when you think about amaphoyisa look at that aspect of enforcement ukuthi hayi akhona amaphoyisa mana akwazi ukukhuluma nomuntu kahle ngikumise ngibuye ngikubingelele But I'm still firm because I don't know you. When you can see me, I'm an officer. Angikwazi wena ukuthi uba. When you must be open-minded. Officer, I'm ready to comply. Anything oyidinga ngikhona. Ufuna ngivule ibhuti ngizovula ibhuti ngizoyehla emotweni. Yebo lento engisho. The corruption siyazi ukuthi corruption iphelelisa kuphi. Mafuna ukuyejele ndoda iba corrupt all. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So Bafethu, we spoke more than enough. So now it's about time we talk about the brand.
God, Bafethu Jewish.
Brand Jewish iqale nini? Ne. Brand Jewish iqale nini? Why the name Jewish? Tell us everything about the Jewish.
What I need to say,
tell us everything, like every aspect about the Jewish.
Yes, I firstly also want to acknowledge that South African culture is very rich. South African culture is very rich. Your intro is very unique, very unique. Born in Soweto, but my spirit lives in Italy. That's why they call it that. That's the uniqueness of South African culture. Amongst the culture in South Africa, it's an institutionalized term in the culture of South Africa.
Yeah,
what is institutional? If you tell something is institutional, should it belongs there? Something is institutional without saying without a stadium, without churches. Those are institutional, what you call. Now, Jewish is an institutional name. There's what you call DSAE. Yeah, and if I remember correctly, those who understand Dictionary of South African English will tell you that the history of Islam to like us, or Islam to just South Africa general. And the question is so profound because it leads me to where I need to go. The Jewish is a name that has been used from the 60s. 60s. Before even me, I was me. Yeah, I'm not Jewish, but to square one. Okay, that's my analysis. It's because of the opportunity to be here. It's a second opportunity for me. And now you want to ask, okay, why? What umsebenzi you never leave endlini uthena mina ngifuna ukuyodutshulwa namhlanje. You can't leave home and say I'm going to be involved in a car accident. You leave, it's a normal day. You feel emsebenzini kuyahlekwa kumnandi. Shinza fere yasho ukuthi imbozi ikhamba kanjani. Sanoma pocketbook uthola i-call intoni sila lokhu njani awuze uzospec up la sifuna ukushayisa. Madoda siyeza ngoba thina sisanda ngena. On our arrival amajita awubabafowethu. You are expecting it to be a normal routine, day in, day out, to miss a motor. But on this particular day, somebody from somewhere is going to cross line with you. And then we go gang. Mighty claps now and I'm a police. This is it.
Is it?
Yeah, born. Then we are there. Iyadlula le moto. Mina ngitshana le ngihamba nayo. Indoda, asi blue light siren. Ayimi imoto. Isenza ngathi yama yellow lane. Untwana methu uvula istop yashaya take off. Then we knew ukuthi okay isuke. Then one mistake asibizanga back up. Untwana athi ngitshela into yodwa, if you want to know something about this system. Amaphoyisa mfethu we are a family kanje. If you want to succeed in anything you do, study how police officers are. Makulimalo yedwa silimele sonke. Makungamemezo yedwa sonke siyaya. That's how you survive in this law enforcement. And I think if you want to succeed in anything, you must know how to link with people in a unified front. Siyasonke lapha ya. Mothi ntariyana mengathi hey machance masiza la asizi ngama 11 isicotho. Siza nje nasesi mfethu usibona sivela vele udayi
lezi bhebhile.
Zize yabo ipemile. Yes. So the situation is like that. We made that mistake. Sangayibizi backup. Masingayibizi backup sitshela ukuthi mhlambe lo muntu udakiwe. Yabo? Kanti next amadoda abuke oganga. Ngithi ngiyayivala imoto. Ngithi yangishayisa ngithi ngiyahlehla. Manje ngiyahlehla itshela ukuthi iyadlula. Ishaya slow libheka le indoda iphuma ngelokhu njani iphethe igeje. Uzole wephuma ngakhona le nto udayizi yakha.
Geje lisini.
Wes, ngithi izwe liphuma emotweni. phuma emotweni bali
bamshayile uzweni
ya mfethu bamthinta kona la emfe ngiyaxolisa ukulisho mfethu uyalazi udaba kodwa siyiphilile lempilo futhi ngisaphila ngiyakwazi ukuthi usaphila nawe sonke bali lapha anyway intwana mayiphuma emotweni ke lapha ushiya lesicapha sangale sivuliwe lezi ziza ngazitshela ukuthi manje it's a finish move manje bathi hla kuhle phuka iklasta le emotweni ngifaka ikhadi mina eTaliyana ngithi ngafa because I can't shoot sebusuku ngapha untwana yena uphumile emotweni ziyangena they thought ubaqedile ngathi shaya imoto ihamba uzotshela ukuthi uphuma la ungena emotweni uthi asibalande ntwana ulimele but at least bulletproof and he still putting up a fight uthi asibalande sihamba ngemoto ST bona bahamba nge-A5 ndoda iyahamba na imoto ngithi ST ngiyayizama ndoda A5 ndoda iyaphephuka ishoda ukuthi ayiphuma amaphiki ndizi wes enesila iyashunqa imoto kufike la madoda azoyitheka shells ndoda yabo ukuthi okay high caliber weapon la ne-AK and that's where you come back to lento obungibuza yona about the crime and by the grace of uNkulunkulu sagejwa 16 bullets mabezowatheka kanje namahole lento eziyasibuza ukuthi indoda nithandaza kuphi nikeza ngasida kanjani into kanje. That is a story that you will never hear about police officers who you meet on the day to day bazokutshela ngekholi angeke bakutshela ukuthi indoda le ndoda cishe yafa izolo itheni ivikela umphakathi yebo lento kanjani
because thina sazi ukuthi amaphoyisa abasebenzi
kuphi itshele kanti ucwaliswa kubani ulifika kanjani
bathi abantu
bensango and then itshele lapho lamadoda la abanjwe ngento eyinzima obani abokhunywa ngabo manje bafika kanjani ejele iphoyisa kumele ligqume lapho indoda amaphoyisa azokwenza busy but story for another
mara vele abantu abathi amaphoyisa awasebenzi iphoyisa
khohla ndoda
la kubamba uzolimala so asibuyele ku merchandise
sure boy
qale nini kwenzakalana sicoce ngayo
phela listen on the way out ne ngitshela njengamanje bafithi Jewish kade bayisebenzisa it's been a name that like I said before from the 60s ngisho ungalanda ithayimali yakho uma ukuthi ithayimali sasekhona ulanda umkhulu wafika nje wathela umkhulu ngicela ukubuza manje leli igama kuthiwa Jewish and one thing for sure mina I have to state yabo mina my religion is Islam yabo and it's a journey that I've underwent to find uNkulunkulu yabo and I don't want it to come across as if because of that religion being indlela engiyikhethele yona bese ngifuna ukulothana namaJuda ngithi Jewish no. South African slang speaks to such yafana nesicathulo makuthiwa bathu yabo mfethu stwadlo yabona is lingo stariana kazidawo you understand same thing but now I realize one thing eJewish intana ngizokutshena ke lapha and I wish I never even thought mina mangizophuma and one other thing when a kid engifuna ukuyichaza wena boy lento engenza ukuthi angishiye esiphoyiseni because you asked me off camera yini bafuna uyenza ukuthi
ungazasebenza
ushiye lapha ya uze la I think ilo kunjani iyaphazamisa le iyaphazamisa okay
yeah so Bafethu is one of those technical problems
so like I was saying intwana the slogan was the reason why I had to leave. This person, in fact, I'm very comfortable in Sekai, and I'm permanently employed, by the way, yabo. And I've got a track record. I from where I'm coming from in Ngayas. Dispatch, I'm from there. Reaction unit, I'm from there. Administration, I'm from there. You understand? In fact, you can send me anywhere. I already know, like, I'm part of the furniture, and the furniture is not just this clan. Even the fridges, I'm part of the whole household. There is one thing short. That's how. It's a kazini for you to lento le isekazini yabo but why I had to leave is because between Isiphoyisa nale Jewish le one of the two was going to win and ngiyacabanga ukuthi Isiphoyisa was going to win because I'm home, I'm comfortable lapha Isiphoyisa ninota ngiyiphoyisa ngisho ngilele even in my sleep I know what to do bafungangivusa ngo 2 AM uthi situation ekanje I won't have to figure out ukuthi ngiqala la ngiyapho I already know. That's how, because you are trained, you become one with something yabo. On your own is why I had to leave. For now mina njengoba usho ukuthi 360 deal you are papa action uyizo after izo is finished who are you?
Yeah, another person.
Umunye umuntu
kwesinye story.
Uyayibona leyo nto. So mina they know me hayi ushinza ikhata okay sharp manje umntwana my off sayikhata kwenzakalani ke lapho who am I? Am I Shimi the Ushimi wali police? You understand?
Or Ushimi wali apa?
Or Ushimi was Dwadla. You get? So mina la ngikhona ke lapho I can't now say I want to own my own ntwana. And each MPD in fact is okay let me say police is giving me an opportunity to understand what do I need to fear? Except that I just need to make an effort.
Yeah.
So Jewish ntwana started from there. And when I registered in 2024, and one other thing, ntwana besikhuluma nge-IP. What's your take on amajita shaya ama brand without registering their brands?
It's quite controversial that one because
sure.
They end up fighting for the brand because if I face the brand as register, low thing is I1, low thing is I1. Then kuba na lo things akakhulu sekafila ngathi brand owner hoy you understand bese kuba nomunye umuntu oshaya brand etsakayo
sure
bese kanti abatshontshe brand ya mara register ngebrand yakho.
So what would be your advice especially amajita because now we are all trying to get into some sort of direction.
Not just only brands but to register everything that's intellectual property.
Sure. Well.
Everything, I mean everything, sure. Register it.
Sure.
Because your idea
sure.
can be someone's brand
sure.
if you are not registered.
Currently,
as we speaking, there's a show Ikasel Vugile on TV.
Okay.
You understand?
Mana, the show you bizwani?
Ikasel Vugile.
On TV.
Yeah.
And then now we put Ikasel Vugile.
Okay, guess what? So Nkuluma no advocate Ike.
Sure.
Ike Kuma.
Utakumza ne.
Yeah, the biggest lawyer. Usangidilela.
Yeah, sure. Mbulazi sekwazi putomta.
Ungiphethe so then I had to make a call kuNhlanhla Lux.
Okay, right.
Yeah, so I have
to see ukuthi mfethu how do we then regulate this thing? And if it doesn't wasn't it Nhlanhla manje ikhona lento. Wena interiyali kanje lento bafu. Akuliwa nalamadoda. We are talking the legalities here. Why was it not registered? If it's not registered, uyabona ukuthi inkinga isuka ibe lapho. And akufuna ukuthi manje kube ngathi wena uthi eyangenisabo zana siyohlangana. The law will speak to it ukuthi emadoda umthetho uthini mayelana nani ne-IP ntwana. Thanks for breaking it down. Isibuyisele kuyo ke lento OYO. Yeah. Qhubeka mfethu ngisakulela because now you are reviving my own spirit to say why I had to leave. It's ngiqhubeka ngokusho. The reason why I had to leave ntwana, I had to make sure before I left because the first thing I was looking for it was the name ntwana.
Okay.
And I never researched like this ukuthi awuthi ngicheck amagama. Ingishayele into bafika ngathi ngiwelwa ngazi ukuthi ngiwelwa yini Jewish. And I'm like okay Jewish. It makes sense. Oqala mfethu let me tell you I'm from a multicultural background. Xhosa, Zulu, Sotho, Colored, there is a lot. And the fact that Jewish makes sense to me, it speaks to the issue that the Jewish it accommodates everybody. India can say Jewish, Colored can say Jewish, White can say Jewish, Black, Zulu, Xhosa, Pedi, Venda can say Jewish without feeling like they're out of place. Now going back to the issue, so then we sit down, CIPC yakutshela ukuthi okay punch in your name sibone ukuthi is it available bangishaya ama green light kanje green light that's okay good futhi mina the only thing I wanted to do was to get that name registered get it registered the minute I got the green light I knew I had something to deal with. Why? It's a proudly South African thing. You can go to Western Cape you don't even need to explain further why Jewish you can go to Free State Manje Jewish. Whereas I don't sure.
Igremale.
Then a 300 GSM, maybe it's a grams per square mile, per square meter. Umsindo wakho yabo lokho akufana lokho yabo lo i220 then. This is a casual t-shirt.
Yeah, this one is a t-shirt.
This one is an occasional one shoot na nini na. Even if you were to wake up and say okay, yazi ngiyaphuma but uthole call but ndoda hey didn't you hear ukuthi ngiyashada? Awusawazi ukubuyela endlini uyoshaya izinto zakho undoda ungena unje ungama mfethu kuthiwa family photo or whatever ube ukhona nanawe yabo. And the reason why in fact Jewish speaks to quality. Any one person the reason why they would say umuntu Jewish is because you would look good when you wear something. You'd make it look good yabo. Bese ntwana uya Jewish sure. But in fact, everybody know. Apart of what you are not from South Africa, then it's something else. And then you are still more than welcome to understand why our culture remains our culture. Jewish is Jewish. Jewish is
so what do you have in Jewish? Because I see we have the panel caps.
Yeah.
We have the sporties.
Yeah.
We have the t-shirts.
Yeah.
What more do you have?
You know what, when the nice part about living from my boot, man, I'm selling from the back of my car.
Wait, that's nice.
Now, man, the unfortunate part is, and it's not even an unfortunate thing, it's unfortunate now because the merchandise is not here. I had sweaters, I had, I think about 87 items, you know, and we sold out in 7 days from the back of the car. So we had, but first, in favor, social media way to the fire. It's Jewish Official 24 with TikTok. Hey, but first, my wife she's able to coach me with the social media. Jewish Official 24 TikTok, Jewish 24 Instagram, but there we get Ilokunjana where you can see it's okay, this is the merchandise train to where we are, much. Now where we are, limited edition 300 GSM. But I do not want to overemphasize why Jewish because now I quality. Sure. When we saw would you tell me that if you being a kulum in the Jewish as Jewish in front of Pamguabato Jewish then we are yeah, sure.
Was later la phela leyo sina ngakhona sine nesikipa segucci
sure
because egucci wama 4000 mari lights leso uyasezwa ukuthi ugcoka iskipa skisi mari iqiniso iqiniso
ayikabi bomajibani bani
I need to net bafethu quality of this thing it's like ikipa ezi 3 or ezi 2 I'm not quite sure it's heavy. It's comfortable.
Ngoba ngada front line here show it own your own 24 year of establishment sure
yeah I'm told
if that's what you want kanjani lapho because there is
we have it
I'm told cabanga sengivela ke uthi entariana moqitha ungibheke ubuhlangana no own your own
sure
umzuzu yazi ukuthi eshilentwana vele ezine podcast
yeah
lemala ni
and on that note before sivala le nto na Kaslam ngiyabonga futhi ungifikisa la I want to ask you for the purpose of your audience what's the importance to you for ownership on your own should tell you go leyo nto
on your own it's you trying to make a healthy environment for yourself
sure
it's you trying to make your own money without anyone taking something from it
sure
it's for you trying to make ingqondo yakho ukuthi ibe free
okay
basically you're creating your own freedom
sure
when you start to own your own
sure
because you move at your pace
sure
but owning your own you need a guidance which is a woman
sure
that will keep you pushing
sure
because if you own your own alone sometimes you don't relax with your business
yeah sure
you need that person also to have yakho sukuma sana
asabe kuyosetshenzwa
you understand so owning your own means self-confidence ukuzithemba ingqondo iba more broader iba more wiser and when they say owning your own ungabi inkomo edla yodwa add other people on and teach them to own their own yeah that's what
ndoda you broke it down ngathi ndoda le angazi ukuthi ufile kweyiphi incwadi yes Machimbosi mina ngiyayibongela because at the end of the day Kate mfethu should I tell them ukuthi hlale kanjani ngibajela yazi le ndoda le ngidlula kanje ngiphethe ikipa Jewish he calls me mina ngihamba ngendlela Grootman ngena la the man says to me I see you have something you are doing for yourself I have a platform that can help you get your brand out there. Oqala abafethu ngicela uNtshana this is not even yabo angisho ukuthi now he's open for exploitation in Tshana the street it was mina my fortune because ngaleso sikhathi vele he was available untwana he tells me hayi ngizokukhuphula futhi angeke ngikucharge when I just bring your things come and tell the people why Jewish is important to you and why must it be important to them untwana ngimazi this is the second time I meet him kanjena facially physically and ebuka manje ungishayela itafula uthi yawoza uzofaka isandla based on lento ubusayisho ukuthi if you want to own your own akusho ukuthi uhamba wedwa
cause to
emphasize on that one
because to be quite honest
sure
abantu babaza ngama brand
sure
we do charge them because it's brand awareness
you understand
but then ngabona ukuthi why mele ngijudge umuntu wasekasi
bafo
ngazi ukuthi
ndoda
igama lesho ikasi elivukile so ithi ngijudge umuntu wasekasi ngimfake isinkweni abe grand because yalami inyawo lampumo ngihamba la nyakhona ngixakeke mangifika ngihlangane nawe uthi hayi
market
indawo yokulala
kamye wena
indawo yokulala so imali bafethu yenzelwe thina imali izoza kuwe
yes
into important is unity and bringing positive people in your life and don't allow negativity in your life umzimba wakho uyakutshela when something is
negative
but thina silwisana nayo mara uyakutshela umzimba wakho
uthi khwana nalento
lozo kumoshela
yabo
so me I'm that guy if I see you suffering ngiyakubiza khamba ungitshela kama into esona mina nginento esona ngakwazi ukufikisa la then uzoyithatha la uyifikisa lapha yabo because I understand abantu abanamali but then I wish nothing but the best so with the students that we have what must we expect more from the brand
mfowethu yazini ne for as long as uNkulunkulu asangiboleka isikhathi mina I can honestly tell you i-Jewish mfowethu cannot die never whether I make it work or not for as long as it represents a South African institutionalized culture like us, there's no way a Jewish can die. So whatever's going to come next is going to be just as it should be, Jewish equality, top to bottom. And if we are class 25 a trademark license yet, which means yes, better than this is going to come. This is just our entry pocket because we must appeal to whichever audience we want to. And then much just but it's a journey and this is the start. It's a one small step for men, one giant leap for Jewish. Okay,
Mafethu, I don't know, do you have a word of the day to encourage abantu abasekasi, especially we cutting, you can't take it off na akaphuza, so izoba ngenye indlela mina mangingena endlini ngiphuzile nangaphuzanga, understand and again I have dreams and I'm still young. Ngisazophuza.
Sure.
Probably.
If you decide
probably. Understand. So umuntu omnyama uthatha isikhathi usenza so. Lesikhathi ospend esithaveni isikhathi ngabo bhayisikili.
Sure.
You understand? So when I'm ovuka ekseni ushawa ibhaba